Hacienda multi-function outdoor oven, pizza oven. It's one of the middle of Lidl kind of specials. Take a look at the box. Features and benefits. Outdoor pizza oven, barbecue and smoker. Cook artisan style pizza in your garden. Up to 12-inch pizzas. Stylish stainless steel and black finish. Yeah, it looks alright on the box. Lower storage shelf, ashtray and pizza stone. Oh, so you get the square pizza stone with it. Yeah, very good. Perfect for entertaining friends and family. Except for we can't, because we're in lockdown, or version of lockdown. Includes a chrome-plated cooking grill, making it perfect for use as a barbecue. Yeah, so you can barbecue on it too. I think we're overrun with barbecues here, but we'll give it a go. Flue damper, temperature gauge, and air vents for temperature control. So, without further ado, I shall get it out of the box, and I'll let you know how difficult or how easy it is to assemble. It looks a fair size, but the box is small, so it's pretty well packaged. To get to that size, it's going to be all assemble, one would imagine. Okay, see you in a minute. Gab. Can you smell bacon?
Yes, I can.
Well,
You
I've
want
got
pizza and you can smell bacon?
Quick, give me some bacon. There we go. Gets a few minutes. There's a little ashtray,
So you
shelf
wouldn't
that I
leave this
forgot.
outside, would you, because it would rust?
Yeah.
You'd have to get the cover for it or put it under the shelter. That's
Don't-
good. Does look good.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's get
It
some.
looks really rustic and contemporary.
It's not going there, but let's get some pizza on.
So we're using lumpwood charcoal, some firelighters we've built in the bottom. Get that going. Oh yeah. And then we're going to let it get up to 180. The pizza stones in the top. Once that's up to temp, we'll get our pizzas in. Well, it'll be one at a time, won't it?
There we go.
Looking good.
Smells like a barbecue.
So now the chimney's working. Let's let that get up to temp. A meat feast. Oh, got the perfect bite. Not the crispy base, the soft toppings, perfect temperature. Oh, it's tasty now. So I think our first attempt went quite well, doing pizzas on the oven here. Clean up looks like it'll be fairly easy. Get the stone out, give it a clean. All the ash is going to drop down into the tray at the bottom so we can empty that out. You can also cook other things in here. You can cook meats, fish, vegetables, things like that. So we'll definitely be having a go at doing something different. And you can use it as a smoker. I think I would absolutely love to do some jerky on here. Never made jerky before. And I'd love to try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and well.